Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rename list on Google Task. So first of all, we want to open Google Tasks. So for renaming the list, here you can see a section called My Tasks, and on the right side of that you can see three dots. Click on that, and here you can see an option called Rename List. Click on that, and from here you can just rename it. And after renaming it, click on Done, and now you can see that you had been renamed and now we can see that you had been renamed the list on Google Task. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.